guys, welcome to Storytime. My name is Miss Linda and I'm one of the youth programmers here at the Nixon Library in Jacksonville. Today is a very special day. Do you know what today is? Today's Puppy Day! Oh, I love puppies. Unfortunately, I can't have a puppy, but one day I will have a puppy and it will be so great. Do you have a puppy? Nice. Well, today we are going to be talking about puppies and dogs and all that good stuff, but it's not just going to be me. No, for today's story time, we've got a couple of friends. But before we meet those friends, let's learn the sign for puppy and let's learn the sign for dog. Are you ready? Great. All right, get your fingers ready. Warm them up. Do some of these. Yeah. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Open, shut. You're fast. So the sign for dog is, that's it. It's kind of like when you see a dog and you say, here boy, here boy. So dog, and it's the same way for puppy. The sign for puppy is the same as the sign for dog. So puppy and dog are, that's it. Let's do that together. Are you ready? Let's go. Dog. Dog. Great job.
Good morning. My name is Jasmine and I'm one of the PSA Puppets here at the Nixon Library in Jacksonville. Dogs are some of my favorite animals, so I'm very excited to be learning about them with you this morning. So let's learn how to spell the word dog and the word puppy. Miss Linda is going to write out these words as we sound them out and spell them. Hi, Miss Linda. We are going to write with our blue marker on our white board. Miss Linda's written the word D, O, and G. That spells dog. D, O, G. Dog. But what if we want to write with a lowercase d? Can you use a lowercase d, Miss Linda? Uh-oh. Miss Linda, that's not a D, that's a B. Try again. There we go. D, O, G. Dog. Good job, Miss Linda. Now, let's write the word puppy. Puppy. P. P. U. P. P. Y. That's right, Miss Linda. P. U. P. P. Y. Puppy. Good job, Miss Linda. Miss Linda did such a good job spelling out those words for us. Do you remember how to spell dog? D-O-G. Dog. And what about puppy? P-U-P-P-Y. You did such a good job learning to spell those words. Let's head on back to Miss Linda and see what's next.
Thank you so much for helping me spell those words out. Sometimes it's real easy to mix up your B's and your D's. Well, next up, we have a song, and we are going to have the help of our puppet pals to sing this. Do you know about this dog called Bingo? Great! Well, if you could help our puppet pals sing along, that would be super. Alright, let's go see if they're ready.
There was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Mo, B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, there was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, there was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, there was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, there was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, there was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, and Bingo was his name. Oh. Hey, look guys, it's our friend Banjo. Well, hey Banjo, what you doing, boy? Oh, Banjo needs help spelling the words dog and puppy. Can you help Banjo spell the words dog and puppy? Let's try spelling dog first. Which letter should Banjo start with first? That's right, the letter D. Great job. All right, what letter should Banjo pick next? Not the U. Yes, Banjo needs to grab the O. Awesome job. Okay, what is the last letter in the word dog? Yeah, the letter G. Oh, fantastic. We have D-O-G. That spells dog. Good job, guys. Now, let's spell puppy. What letter should Banjo start with first? Yes, Banjo needs to grab the P for puppy. Okay, what is the next letter in puppy? That's right, the letter U. So let's put the letter U up on this whiteboard. Okay, what are the next letters that Banjo should grab? That's right, the other two P's. So let's take the other two P's and put them behind the U. Great job, guys. Okay, what's the last letter in the word puppy? That's right, it's Y. Look at this. We have P-U-P-P-Y. Puppy. You helped Banjo spell the word dog and the word puppy. Good job, Banjo. And good job, friends.
Good job, guys. You did such an awesome job helping our puppet friends sing along. Well, next we have a very special treat. Here with some facts about puppies and dogs from around the world is Mr. Dan. Good morning, Mr. Dan.
Hello
Hello, small patrons, and welcome to Mr. Dan's Fun Fact Corner. This week, Mr. Dan is looking at some fun facts about dogs and puppies. Did you know, small patron, that there are over 400 million dogs in the world? That is more than the population of the United States of America. There are hundreds of different breeds of dogs. An example of some of those breeds are Labradors, Chihuahuas. What? Oh, it's pronounced Chihuahua? Mr. Dan didn't know that. Chihuahuas, German Shepherds, Dachshunds, and Pit Bulls. Though different breeds of dogs have ranges of temperaments, it takes a good owner to raise a good dog. What most dogs need is love and someone who is patient and responsible enough to raise them well. So remember, small patron, if you have a dog, be responsible, be kind, and be patient. Mr. Dan, we'll see you later. Well, friends, that's all the time we have for today. Before we go, let's spell dog and puppy together. Are you ready? So let's spell dog. D-O-G. Dog. Now let's spell puppy. P-U-P-P-Y. Puppy. You guys are so smart. We'll see you later. Bye.